Hello everyone, I'm Aniket. I'm Power BI developer at Office Solution. So currently today I am showing you a chart which is name is a Quantile Dot Plot. This chart is the statistical tool. It is used to visualize the data of the combination of quantileness and dot plot. So this chart is generally it used to point the clear representations of the data points across the different quantiles. It is specifically useful for comparing distribution and identify the pattern within the data. So let me just drag the data here. So this is the parameter which plays the probability part here. So now it's time to put a license key. It will be a temporary license key and the customization for circles. So this 10 will be the represent the 10 patients per circle. So by this scroller you can manage the data by quantileness of here. So now let's dive into the left side of the part of the chart. So what this part do? So this chart part is generally a left side of the part which has a high risk patients. These patients have a low probability of surviving, like as you can see there is a 21% of probability on the case date reported of 172. So on that date it the cases reported got 172 cases with the probability of 21%. These patients have low probability of surviving, therefore required more intensive care and attention. So the destiny and distribution of the circles can help us to understand the concentration of high risk cases within the data set. So on the right side of the part, the probability line are it is a we have a circle representation of individual who are relatively healthier part. Okay, so now let me just drag my tooltip here. So as you can see, the probability of 85% on the date on that date reported of the case will be 3. So on that healthier part, analyzing this side of the chart help us to understanding the distribution of the healthier individual can guide decision on resource allocation and monitoring. The probability line is playing a crucial role here. It is a partition of a chart into two distinct sections, on high risk on the left side and the healthier individual on the right side. This line help in quickly assessing on the overall distribution of the risk within the dataset and aids in making information decision based on the data visualization. So generally what this chart do, this chart just help us to make a decision quick, so we can focus on patients who needs help more than others. So as you can see here, this probability of 90% cases we can put it into a left side here, but we need to give more attention on the patients which have a low probability. So that's why this chart is more important to just make decision on real quick. So we don't waste our time to put it on it. So this is the customization options for developers. So this can be fully customizable as you want, and we can make it use in more even easier manner, so to in a decision making. Thank you so much.